All right, let's look at the homework 3.2, problem number 2. All right, so we have a quotient here, so we're going to use the quotient rule. All right, let's do that. All right, so a quotient rule said I usually take care of the denominator first because it's easy to do. So we know that denominator squared. So take whatever you have on the denominator. So 7t plus 6, and then you just have to square that. All right, so done. All right, and then take the derivative of the top. Derivative of 5 is 0. Derivative of negative 8t would be negative 8. And then multiply by the bottom, so which would be 7t plus 6 minus top, which is 5 minus 8t. Then multiply by derivative of the bottom. Derivative of 7t is 7, and derivative of 6 is 0. So you have multiplied by 7. Right? And then we just need to clean up the numerator a little bit. So I'm going to just copy the denominator here. So you have quantity 7t plus 6 squared. Right? So I'm going to distribute the negative 8 to 7t. You're going to get negative 56t. Right? Then negative 8 to 6. And so it's going to be negative 48. All right, then I'm going to distribute 7 to 5. So it's going to 35, but with the negative sign, so it's a negative 35. All right, then we're going to distribute 7 to negative 8t. So it's going to be a negative 8t times 7. So it's negative 56t, but there's a negative sign here, so it's going to be plus. There's going to be a 56t. Right? And then you can see that there is positive 56t, actually negative 56t, and then positive 56t, so that they cancel each other out. Then you can just combine these two guys together. So that would be what? Negative 8 plus 5 is 13, right? And then 4 plus 3 is 7, but 1 carried over, so it's going to be 83, right? So we have negative 83 over quantity 7t plus 6 squared, right? Let's type it in. All right, so we have negative 83 over quantity 7t plus 6 and raise it to the second power. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.